In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your PayPal account using your mobile device. Whether you're moving to a different platform or consolidating your accounts, sometimes the decision is made to close your PayPal account. I'm here to guide you through this process smoothly and effortlessly. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to access your favorite web browser on your mobile device. Navigate to the PayPal website and you'll want to log in by entering your credentials, which include your username and password. Make sure that your login details are correct, as this will ensure a smooth experience. Once you're successfully logged in, take a good look at your screen. At the top, you'll notice a gear icon which signifies the settings section. This icon represents the control hub for your account settings and preferences, so go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a new menu filled with various options specific to your account preferences. Now, within this settings menu, scroll down to find a section that allows you to manage your account details. Here, you will see an option labeled Close Your Account. Click on this option to proceed with the deletion process. Keep in mind, closing your account is permanent, so make sure that this is something you really want to do before clicking through the options. After clicking Close Your Account, a new screen will prompt you to confirm your decision. This is PayPal's way of double-checking with you to ensure a mistake isn't made. You'll want to review this prompt carefully to prevent any unintended closures. If you're certain you're ready to proceed, go ahead and click the confirmation button. Remember, once you've confirmed, your account will be closed and you'll no longer have access to any transaction history or related PayPal services associated with that account. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your PayPal account using your mobile device. If at any point following these instructions you run into trouble or have questions, I recommend reaching out to PayPal's customer support for further guidance. They're always there to assist with any issues you may encounter, including account recovery if needed. Thanks for joining me today as we navigated through this process. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and clear. Be sure to check out more of our guides for everyday digital tasks. Leave your comments below if you have suggestions or requests for future tutorials. Until next time, take care and goodbye.